Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. Not in today's newspaper. No, today's newspaper. We have no newspaper on Sunday. Today's Sunday, the second day in 2022. We have no newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in edition of Tuesday, October the 12th, 2021. I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 1 star. We have here the 2 stars, tectonic, and a binary. Now it's time for the 2 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 3919. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. For 2 stars puzzle, my time limit 15 to 20 minutes to solve. We will see, so let's get started. We have here 3 ones, 4 twos, 3 threes, 1 4, 2 5s, 3 6s, 4 7s. So the 7s and the 2s. Okay. Then we have 3 8s, 3 9s. Okay, let me see with the 7. Okay, 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 2 3 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. There 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Okay, how about the 2? 2 yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 difficult. Let me see. 8. Alright. 1 2 3 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1 in this column, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Alright. Then 2 missing, so 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 and 3 in the middle row, so no 1 and 3 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 1, 3 and 1. So the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8. The 4, 8, and 6. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column now, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3 and a 6. Well, this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 3. Okay. Alright. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Okay. 9, 4, 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this column. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 box left in this big square for number 9. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, only place left for 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3. This box should be a 1. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 3. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 7 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. How about? Yeah. I'm thinking. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see that 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. So now we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. You see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. You see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 9 minutes already passed. Okay. 9 minutes. Okay. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. Let me see. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in the second column? For the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. 4, 4. I'm thinking. 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. Yeah. 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 2, and a 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. We have a 9 and a 1 here in the last row, so no 9 and a 1 in this box. The 9 and 1 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 9 and 1, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. Alright. Need a 6 here. In this row we need a 6 here. So 3 missing numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this column. So no 9 and a 6 in this box. 9 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. 9 and 6. 9 and 6. So 1 digit left to be the 1. But we already have a 6 here. So this box can be 6. This box should be 9. 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 digit left in this row for the number 6. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. With all the 6s, and all the 6s are used. I can see this is number 6. 9. 2 numbers left. 9 and 5. We need pairs. 9, 5, and a 4. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. And look, we have a 4 and a 9 in the last row, so no 4 and a 9 in this box. The 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes, so 1 digit left in this column for the number 5. 4 and a 9, I cannot fill this yet, I need to wait. Same for here, the 4 and a 9 are missing in this row. Let me mark those. 4 and a 9, yeah, 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. The other 2 pairs in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. A lot of pairs. 1, 4, 5. How about? Let me see. 5. 4 and a 9. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. 1, 4. 4, 1 and a 5. 2 missing numbers In the first row, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 4 in this row, third row. 4 in the first row, so the row between the second row. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Find no 2 numbers of this big square. For numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2 are missing. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there, finished in 15, 16 minutes. Well, definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. The binary I need to do, and a tectonic. Alright, see you then. Bye bye for now.